guys, it's Dale. I am gonna do an unboxing of a new mod that I haven't even looked at except for just now. And I just learned that it has the newest Omni board, which is the 2.6. And it has a masculine big 510 interface. What does that even mean? I'm excited about the Omni board, but I don't know what the masculine big 510 interface is. Anyway, the mod I am talking about is the switcher mod from Vaporesso. Vaporesso? Yeah, I'm gonna call it Vaporesso. Vaporesso. Yeah, it's like a cappuccino. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know anything about this mod at all. Here's what it looks like inside of the box. And I'm going to take it out just because it's much cooler. So, here it is. And I mean, it is fantastic. This on the side, they're actually textured. And here's your fire button. Here's that big masculine 510 interface, I'm assuming. Yeah, and I don't know anything about this except it is a dual 18650 and can go up to 220 watts. It did have that board, which means that it is temp control as well and has the curve settings and stuff like that. I'm excited about this one as well. Not as excited as I was about the G-Box, but I think if I was given the switcher mod on a different day than I was given the G-Box, I would be just as excited about this. I'm excited to put batteries in it and kind of play with it. So I'm gonna test it out and put a couple different tanks and addies on it, and I'll come back in about 7 to 10 days and give you my update and my full review. If you have one of these mods, can you let me know how you feel about it and all of the ins and outs that you've learned just by using it in the comments below? Because I just kind of want to talk to you guys, and I want to see what you have to say about the new products that we're coming out with as well. Yeah, so cool. I will be putting out my full review soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.